Hey friend, Assalamu alaikum. This is Tan Islam. I'm a founder and instructor of Green English Academy. So, my dear brothers and sisters, I think recently you have finished your SSC and the exam, right? So, my dear brothers and sisters, you thinking how will I spend my free time, right? So I think you have enough time in this moment. So if you honor develop your skills, if you wanna develop your skills for your future and your future generation, so please listen carefully. I think in this time you should learn spoken English, you should learn computer skills, you should learn AI skills. So if you I think after when you get your SSC result at a time you will think I have I have I have to get a good job. I have to get a I have to apply a good college. So, my dear brothers and sisters, if you wanna get a great opportunity, if you wanna get a good job, I think it is the best time for you. So, if you learn spoken English, I think it is helpful for your future and your future generation. So if you want to learn spoken English, please like this video, comment and follow me.